Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app totally for free anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. So our very first topic that we are looking at is called Uber has just announced Uber Pro Card for drivers. So, can you read this, Izzy?
Which part?
Just the whole thing.
It's part of it is covered by you.
Oh, even on on Skype?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, it's still covered.
Okay, I'll read it. The all-new Uber Pro Card. Keep more of what you earn with our new debit, MasterCard, and checking account powered by Branch. Drivers and couriers get guaranteed cash back on refueling and free automatic cash outs after every trip. So you actually get cash back after you fill up gas. So basically, guys, gosh, I need to make us smaller so we can actually read these. Basically, what this is, guys, it's an incentive for Uber to get you to sign up for their debit card so you can sign up for their bank and they want you to use them to make your purchases so you get cash back. And I assume Uber's going to end their gas fuel surcharge very soon, and they're just going to, this is going to be the way that you get cash back on your gas. So is it worth it? Can you read that?
Yeah, so pay at the pump worry-free. Forget about the cashier line in most gas stations. You won't even see a temporary gas hold when you pay at the pump with the Uber Pro Card, unlike other debit cards.
And keep reading.
Up to 10% cash back on gas with Diamond status. Get cash back on gas when paying at the pump with your Uber Pro Card at any station, in any city. The higher your Uber Pro status, the more cash back you can get. That's pretty cool. It shows you like all the statuses and like the rewards that you get.
Yeah. So Night Classic says, is that Pro Card worth it? Any brand gas stations? Well, here you see. So it says so if you're a Diamond driver, you get 6% cash back at any gas pump in any city. But if you go to Exxon or Mobil, you get a 9% cash back. It looks like an additional 3%.
Okay.
Yeah. And then they're really promoting Get Upside as well.
Yeah.
Didn't you reach out to Get Upside?
Yeah, I did.
No reply?
I don't remember. I'm pretty sure they said that they like were already working on stuff and couldn't do anything right now.
Cheeky Chop says Diamond driver, laugh emoji. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's like really hard to be a Diamond driver?
So this card is for drivers only?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, drivers only, guys. No passengers.
I guess, is your Uber driver account still gone?
Yes, Uber banned me. Yeah, I can't even order a ride as a passenger either.
Oh.
So I'm stuck at home.
That sucks.
Kevin Hawthorne says, good evening from Lakeland, Florida. Good evening from Southern California. Where are you coming from, Izzy? Oh, you don't have to share.
Oh, Canada.
Okay. Yeah, that's vague enough where they won't find you.
Oh, Dead Zombie Agent said I have this card. Why don't you tell us more about it?
He says it's worth it.
Okay. Oh, Canada. Okay.
Yeah, so cool. So why do you think it's good? Oh, Cheeky Chops, he's in Naples, Florida. Have you ever been to Naples?
No. Have you?
No. Never even heard of it.
I've heard of it before.
Oh, you have? Okay. So also with the Uber debit card, you can cash out after every trip. Look at this. Earnings go directly to your Uber Pro card after every trip, free of charge. And you can withdraw cash for free at 55,000 ATMs. Yeah, I have that at my bank.
Oh, wow.
I have that at my bank where they give you free cash outs at ATMs. Do you have that?
No. I always have to pay the fee.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Uber raising 80 cents for instant withdrawals. King Ralphie. Yes, we will get to that in a moment. We have a whole video topic about that one.
Yeah.
All my customers want to sleep. Oh gosh, I don't want to read that one. Dead Zombie Agent says Dash Direct does the same.
What's Dash Direct?
I guess if you're for DoorDash, maybe.
Okay.
Yeah. That card is a bit waste of time. Okay, so yeah, guys. So that is the Uber Pro card. So this was pretty new. So check it out if you want. The Uber Pro is a business debit, MasterCard, and checking account. So yeah, I mean, obviously, if you're a full-time Uber driver driving 84 hours a week, this is something you definitely want to do. So you make sure you're getting, 6%, like potentially 9% cash back if you go to Exxon or Mobil stations. So
yeah, that's crazy.
So yeah, I mean, even if you're only 9%, let's say your gas is $120 to fill up, right?
120.
That's what I pay.
What the heck?
I just paid 120
premium
today.
Gas?
Yeah, premium. Okay,
so
let's
for
say
me, it'll be like 50 to fill it up.
Okay, let's say it's $50 times 0.09%, so 0.9%. So you're getting $4.50 back each time.
Okay, that's not bad.
So instead of $50, it would actually be $44.50.